My name is Malcolm Farrell. I'm definitely a hardworking person. I go after what I want. If I see it, I must achieve it. It would have to be Terrence J, for sure. He started off BET, and then he progressed to E! News, and now he's doing other shows. He's hosting, and in movies too as well, so he's a pretty big influence in my life. In my room. I like my space, I like quietness. Definitely my room for me. Ooh, New York. I was born there, so New York. Instagram, I love videos, I love photos, everything about Instagram right now, I'm just liking everything that they do. The fact that you can put out a lot of content and people can see it. Pop culture. Insta stories. Digital. IHOP. Gotta be IHOP.